Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you a new wave of YouTube automation channels that are coming, and they're going to be really good. And this is perhaps an idea that you may want to pursue yourself as well. So the idea that I want to talk about in this video is documentary type style YouTube channels. But before we begin, I do want to invite you to watch my free workshop where I go over how to make passive income on YouTube in 90 videos or less. So the link for that will be down below in the description, but let's go ahead and get started. So the topic of discussion that I want to bring to you within this video is talking about documentary type style YouTube channels. Now, I know that we've all heard about Jake Tran, we've all heard about Magnates Media, really big YouTube channels that are technically doing YouTube automation in a sense that they're hiring a scriptwriter, they're hiring a voiceover artist, video editor, thumbnail designer, etc. They're hiring contractors basically to make these videos, but we're starting to see a lot more smaller channels actually succeed with these documentary type style YouTube videos, and I'm going to show you and help you how you can start one yourself as well. But first I want to show you some smaller channels that are actually doing well. So the first channel I want to show you is Sigma Financial, and this is actually from Biahiza, I believe. So with this channel, you can kind of see like he's capitalizing on a lot of things in which I preach. So he's got power figures in the thumbnails and titles. He's exposing or basically making a very strong opinion or stance within these YouTube topic ideas. And overall, you can kind of see that the power figures in the thumbnails and they're getting views. So here we have Jordan Welch, we have Sebastian, we have Sneeko, we have Aman Ghazi, and these video views are getting thousands and thousands of views. You may kind of argue, well, he has a lot of subscribers. He probably pumped some of his viewers onto this channel and that's why these videos are getting views. Let's go ahead and show more examples then. So here we have a YouTube channel called Undefeated, and as you can see, they've kind of been on and off when it comes to posting, but you can kind of see that 4 months ago, they started doing this documentary type style approach of YouTube videos in which they're taking a very strong stance, okay? Why I don't trust Aman Ghazi anymore. Robert Kiyosaki exposed. Why I don't trust Graham Stephan anymore. So you can kind of see the stances that they're taking, and when people either are huge fans of Aman Ghazi or if they absolutely hate Aman Ghazi, that's what's going to trigger them to kind of click and watch this video. If you take some time to actually maybe pause this video or watch it after this video, take a look at these videos because they're very opinionated and they take a very strong stance within the individual that they're talking about. So moving on to another example, here we actually have a video from a channel called King of Nothing, in which 18 hours ago they posted a video about Jake Tran and it's already at almost 50,000 views. So just based on the video topic itself, they're either really triggering Jake Tran fans or they're getting people to really agree with Jake Tran. As I said before in other videos, if you're going to come up with YouTube topic ideas, stray away from just being neutral in your stances. Really try to think of ideas that are very strongly opinionated and are very strongly stanced towards one direction so that you either trigger people or you get people to agree with you. One last channel I want to show you is the Internet Anarchist. So if you take a look at this channel, you can honestly see that this channel is absolutely crushing it. They're creating very good documentary type style videos, and as you can tell, there's a lot of things that they're doing right. They're capitalizing on famous figures, popular figures. They're using faces within the thumbnails. The thumbnails themselves, they follow a very nice, actually a 2-point concept. So you have the face here, and then you have the title here. You have the face here, and then the words here. You have the face here, and then the words here. So there's a lot of things that this channel is doing correctly, and if you actually take some time to actually watch some of their videos, it's very good, well done videos. What I want to go over is how to actually start setting up a channel like this, just because I'm in the process of doing it also myself. Unfortunately, I haven't had much success to the extent of actually achieving hundreds of thousands views on a video just yet, simply because I'm still assembling my team. I'm simply just going to freelance websites like Upwork and Fiverr and kind of browsing around to see what type of scriptwriters are out there. There's a lot of services, writing services that you can kind of browse upon, but with it, I do use some of my old scriptwriters to kind of write scripts like this, and with these scripts, I'm actually having ChatGPT create an outline for these scripts just so that they actually are more organized and structured. And then the scriptwriter is actually writing the script based on the outline that ChatGPT gives. First one is assembling a team and then forming basically the outline of the structure of how the video topic is going to be. I am the one coming up with my own video topic ideas, and my video topic ideas are going to capitalize on famous figures, famous places, famous objects, etc. And with it, I'm really trying to make it so that my video topic ideas are one of a kind when it comes to YouTube. I want to be the first one to post that type of video, and then afterwards, whoever copies me after, they're basically just average and the video hopefully just won't work for them, right? With assembling your team, you're going to places like Upwork and Fiverr and looking for them, perhaps anyone that you know personally. One of the key differences that I want to point out when it comes to regular YouTube automation videos and these documentary type style YouTube videos that we're kind of seeing is that these documentary type style YouTube channels, without a doubt, are of a lot higher caliber in terms of quality just because of the type of script writing that's undergoing, the type of narrative storytelling that's actually undergoing, and of course actually the well done, it's not that it's complex video editing, but it's just video editing that just matches so much better based on what's being said in the voiceover script. There is a huge difference between these documentary type style YouTube videos and the regular top 10 style listicle videos that we've been very familiar with. And the biggest thing is that these documentary type style YouTube videos, they're one of a kind, they're well written, they're getting higher average viewer duration, there's no competition for them, so they're going insanely viral. Compare that to the regular YouTube automation videos based on news, based on 10 things you didn't know about X or X lifestyle and net worth. That is kind of like staying stagnant in a way. And so I kind of encourage you all to really see if these documentary type style YouTube videos can be introduced onto your own niche or channel. Because I truly believe that no matter what niche you're in, there's got to be some way to kind of come up with this nice documentary type style YouTube video and then publish it on your channel. Once you've got your videos in the algorithm, you're going to want to watch this video next to see how you can double down and capitalize on your growth.